Windows 11 update finished. And now your Wi-Fi is gone, no networks show up, or you're stuck on no internet secured? In the next few minutes, you'll run the safest fixes in the right order. Quick sanity checks, driver recovery, a full network stack reset, a built-in network reset, and, if the update triggered it, how to remove that update or roll back safely. Before you touch anything, create a restore point. Click Start. Type. Create a restore point, open it, select your C drive, click Create, name it Before Wi-Fi Fix, and click Create again. If anything unexpected happens, you can undo your changes in minutes. Now, do the easy checks that solve more cases than people think. 1. Restart your PC once. Yes, restart, not shutdown. 2. Click the network icon on the taskbar and confirm airplane mode is off. 3. Make sure Wi-Fi is on. 4. If you're on a laptop, check for a physical Wi-Fi switch or an FN key combo that disables wireless. Flip it off and on once. If Wi-Fi networks appear now, connect and you're done. If Wi-Fi is missing or networks still don't show, keep going. This step fixes a huge percentage of Wi-Fi vanished after update cases. Click Start. Type. Device Manager, open it. Click Network Adapters. Look for your Wi-Fi adapter. It usually says Realtek or Wi-Fi. If the Wi-Fi adapter is there but disabled, right-click it, click Enable Device. If it's there but Wi-Fi still doesn't work, right-click it, Properties Driver tab. If you see Rollback Driver, click it. Confirm, then restart the PC. This is perfect when a Windows update pushed a bad driver. If rollback is grayed out or didn't help, reinstall the driver cleanly. Right-click the Wi-Fi adapter uninstall device. If you see a checkbox that says Attempt to remove the driver for this device, check it. Click Uninstall, then restart your PC. After restart, Windows often auto-reinstalls the Wi-Fi driver. If you do not see a Wi-Fi adapter at all, at the top menu, click View, Show Hidden Devices. If Wi-Fi still doesn't appear, you're likely in driver missing territory. Use a temporary connection. Plug in Ethernet if you can, or use your phone hotspot or USB tethering just to download the correct Wi-Fi driver from your laptop or Wi-Fi card manufacturer. After installing the correct driver, restart and check networks again. If Wi-Fi still fails, don't panic. Next step resets the entire Windows network stack. Now you'll reset Winsock and TCP/IP. This is safe and commonly fixes update-triggered network corruption. Right-click Start Click Terminal, Admin. Press Yes when asked. Type these commands exactly, press Enter after each one. Now restart your PC. After reboot, try Wi-Fi again. If networks appear but the internet still says No Internet, Secured, connect to your Wi-Fi and test a few sites. If it's still broken, do the built-in network reset next. This is the most comprehensive built-in fix, but it has side effects, so listen closely. Before start, an important note. Network Reset removes and reinstalls network adapters and resets networking settings to defaults. That means you will need to reconnect to Wi-Fi and re-enter the password, reinstall VPN clients, or reconfigure special network software. If you're fine with that, this step is extremely effective. Open Settings Network and Internet Advanced Network Settings and Network Reset. Click Reset now. Your PC will restart. After the restart, connect to Wi-Fi again and test. If Wi-Fi worked before the last Windows update and broke immediately after, remove that update. Open Settings. Windows Update. Update History. Uninstall updates. Find the most recent update installed around the time the problem started. Click Uninstall Confirm Restart. After restart, check Wi-Fi again. That's the safe Windows 11 Wi-Fi recovery stack. Driver recovery, network stack reset, network reset, and update rollback if needed. If you want Part 2, advanced diagnostics like event viewer clues, adapter power management tweaks, and driver version strategies, comment Part 2 and tell me your laptop model or your Wi-Fi adapter name from Device Manager.